everyone, welcome back to Fecto Reviews. Haven't been able to do an unboxing video in a while. This is Privada Cigar Club for November. Let's go on ahead and open her up and see what all we got in this month's box. I've had this box for, I don't know, a few days now. Been busy, haven't had a chance to really crack it open. I wanted to do an unboxing video to see what all we have. By the way, this knife is the Benchmade 535 Bug Out. Absolutely love it. I got the serrated edge on there. Everything else. It's a nice knife, sharpens well, S30V. I recommend you buy one. Okay. Very lightweight. We have our tasting notes and all of this good stuff. So I'm one of the reviewers. Maybe I'm an exception. Regardless of what I read about a cigar, which I don't purposely go out and read descriptions on them, that does not change how I taste them or anything. It doesn't have a placebo or placebo effect on me like it may for some other people. I taste what I taste, and that's all there is to it, and I report that to you guys. So we got some good stuff in here. Let's go on ahead and open this up. Get the Privada packs. It's nice they ship them in these pouches. Cigar Club 2017, and they're going to have to update that because we're almost 2019. I don't care either way. That's what's inside that I care about. Packaging and marketing don't mean nothing to me. Okay, foil lined pouch. Seal. Smells great in here. And look at that. Alright. Set those right there. And that's it. Get these little Privada packs. 69%. That one's still good to go. Set that to the side for now. Cigar number 1. Adjust this light just a little bit here. This is the... Which one is it? The Cruzado. The Illusion Cruzado Elites. Aged 4.5 years. Real small pigtail cap. Simple band. Real nice aroma to it. A little bit of a split down here at the foot. Soft pack, not super dense. A little dense right in here. Very nice. Real soft feel to it. Just a real simple barnyard hay and a little bit of chocolate smell to it. Very nice. Alright. Not going to read off any tasting notes. That's not the point. Just kind of seeing what we got here. This is the El Titan de Bronze. Redemption Maduro. Little Havana, Miami. Okay. So this is a domestic cigar. It's supposed to be pretty good. I got any age on this one? Doesn't talk about age. Talking about new blends coming out, tasting notes. Okay. I dig it. I like the band design with the gold and the white and the blue writing on it. Very, very nice. I'm not going to take it out of the cellophane now to see what it smells like or anything. Just admiring what we got here. Excited to try this one. I have read some good things about it. So, I have hopes for that one. And another Lancero. Look at that. This is the 4 Kicks Limited Edition 2018 Lancero. I still have yet to smoke a Lancero, and I got one more in the humidor. Very nice. And we have any age on this one? Well, no, we don't. It's 2018. What am I talking about? Not even a year. Okay. Nice. Alright. So, one nice thing I like about Privada is you get pairing notes and tasting notes with these. And it just tells you a little bit about each cigar here, which is nice. I'm not going to read all these obviously. That's going to take too long. I ain't got that kind of time. But I do like that they have pairing notes. different things you can eat with these that helps bring out the flavors or just amplifies it. I usually don't pair cigars with anything when I'm reviewing them. I like to taste them as it is. Unless I'm with friends or something, then that's a little bit different. Awesome. So I'm excited to try these. Just wanted to share with you guys what came in the November box of this year. And we got a pretty nice lineup here. I'm excited to review these for you. Some of these you can't get anymore. Like I said, this is a Rare Cigar Club. Runs me, what, 33 bucks a month, something like that. It's not too horribly expensive. And you get a pretty cool selection of stuff that's hard to find, for the most part. You usually get 2 rare cigars and 1 pretty good cigar. So I'm excited to try them. Anyway, guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Stays lit and stays smoky. We'll see you on the next one. All right, anybody wants a, I guess, a brief humidor tour. Not really a tour, but just a showcase here. I got a few sticks in here. Nothing crazy, nothing too hard to find or anything, except some of the stuff from Privada I've been getting. These are really good. Got one of these coming up, the Single Vegas AAA Maduro. Some Cohiba Blue Label. I'm excited to try some of them. Let's see. Some Hoya Black. CAO Extreme in there. See some good stuff down in there all mixed in. I got most of the stuff I get 10 and 5 packs of on the left. That's kind of stacked up, and all the other stuff is over here. Those Oliva Inferno 3rd degrees are really, really good. Yeah, good stuff in there. Got some other things in here. I see trusty little Padron down there. I haven't smoked that one yet, and I've had it for about 6 years. Got reasons for it. Got a T52 in there as well. Those are really good. And I got the rest of my nub series that needs to be reviewed. Hopefully coming up soon. So, little insight for you.